Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're delivering our weekly market outlook. This is a huge week for the economy, as we see escalating US-China trade tensions and the continued uncertainty of the US government shutdown. On our calendar, Tuesday is huge with the Powell speech, 3 other Fed speakers, and the unofficial start of earnings season from major banks like JPM, C, WFC, GS, and J&J. Wednesday brings the FOMC minutes and 4 more Fed speakers, plus earnings from MSFT, Google, Meta, BA, and CAT. Thursday features the Philly MFG survey and 5 Fed speakers, plus earnings from APPL, Amazon, Coin, MSTR, and LLY. The week wraps up with AXP and CVX earnings and the highly anticipated Trump-Xi meeting on Friday. Now for the market context. Equities rallied as signs that the US and China were closing in on a trade deal stoked optimism, pushing the S&P 500 toward a record run. This optimism is giving investors fresh confidence to extend the rally. However, this advance faces key tests this week, with the Fed expected to cut interest rates and earnings from tech giants set to offer clues on profit durability. The Fed rate decision on Wednesday will be a major volatility driver, and the Trump-Xi meeting on Friday could cause more volatility in the market. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.